You are welcome to another episode of This Week in Crypto on Savvy Finance. We bring you the latest and top news articles in cryptocurrencies, non-fungible tokens, and other digital assets. Here are our top headlines for the week. A Fed hikes benchmark bank rate for the first time since 2018. Bitcoin eyes highest weekly close since early February after interest rates hike. G7 countries vow to ensure that Russia cannot use crypto assets to evade sanctions. Ukraine's President Zelensky signs bill legalizing and regulating crypto assets as the country opens an official website for cryptocurrency donations. Terra founder reveals plans to buy $10 billion worth of Bitcoin for reserves. We bring you all this and more on this week's episode. Please watch the video to the end, like, share, and drop your comments below. We appreciate our viewers and subscribers for their continued support. The Federal Reserve raised interest rates on Wednesday, March 16, 2022, almost 4 years since the last interest rate hike in 2018. The Federal Open Market Committee lifted the benchmark interest rate by 0.25% or 25 basis points, putting an end to 2 years of near-zero rates. The move is part of efforts to bring the 40-year high inflation under control and is expected to continue for the rest of the year. In the wake of the interest rates hike, the crypto market has rebounded as traders seem relieved by the Fed's decision to raise rates. After trading between $40,000 and $41,000 all week, Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency, jumped to over $42,000 on Friday. It remained strong within the upper $41,000 range all day on Friday and jumped higher on Saturday to over $42,300. As of March 20, it remains near the top of its recent trading range. Experts say the coin may crack its highest weekly close since early February. On Sunday, popular Twitter analyst Credible Crypto presented two potential trajectories for the coin in the coming weeks. The first scenario sees the coin breaking above $42,500, followed by a multi-week high of $45,000. The second scenario sees Bitcoin tanking hard between $29,000 and $32,000. In another update on Sunday, the analyst teased a new all-time high for the world's largest cryptocurrency. Aetherium, the second largest cryptocurrency, also rose to a 2-week high on Thursday. The native token of the Ethereum blockchain cracked multi-week highs of $2,800 on Thursday and $2,976 on Saturday. As of March 20, the coin remains above $2,800 as investors wait anxiously for it to crack $3,000. We have our fingers crossed as we head into another week, hopefully with gains and big rallies. The war in Ukraine continues to rage on, almost 1 month since the invasion on February 24. According to estimates from both governments and the United States, the death toll is currently between 11,000 to 17,000. This figure includes around 3,000 civilians, 2,000 to 4,000 Ukrainian armed forces, National Guard and volunteer forces, and 7,000 to 10,000 Russian armed forces. Millions of people have also been displaced and thousands have suffered non-fatal injuries. As the war rages on, the country continues to raise money for supplies through cryptocurrency donations pouring in from all over the world. According to the official website for cryptocurrency donations, the country has now raised almost $70 million in cryptocurrency donations. The target is $200 million. The website features a real-time update of donations and the wallet addresses for different cryptocurrencies. You can donate Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Terra, a Solana, a Polkadot, a Cardano, Dogecoin, a Hedera, a Monero, a Icon, a Casper. Investors who wish to hold their cryptocurrency donations can also donate cash. You can send in US dollars, euros, pounds, Australian dollars, and Canadian dollars. The website has all the information required to send in cash donations. About 1 month after Ukraine's parliament passed the bill on legalizing and regulating cryptocurrencies and other virtual assets, President Zelensky has signed the bill into law. Cryptocurrencies and other virtual assets are now legal in Ukraine. Cryptocurrency exchanges and similar institutions will be required to register with the government to operate legally in the country. According to reports, Ukraine's National Securities and Stock Market Commission will be responsible for determining the country's policies on virtual assets, issuing licenses to crypto crypto-related businesses and acting as a financial watchdog to ensure fair business practices. The Group of Seven, or G7 countries, have recently issued a statement vowing to ensure that Russia cannot use cryptocurrencies to evade the sanctions against it. The United States Treasury Department has also said it is closely monitoring efforts to evade the sanctions through digital assets or any other means. This is coming as U.S. Democratic Senator Elizabeth Warren moves to prevent Russian oligarchs from using crypto to avoid sanctions. Warren has proposed new regulations that would mandate Know Your Customer verification processes on all crypto platforms. Russian oligarchs can continue to use crypto to move their money around, the senator stated. So we're just going to give Treasury the authorization to treat these crypto platforms much like the banks are treated. That is, you've got to know your customer, and you can't be dealing with people who are in violation of sanctions. While Ukraine is the latest in the long line of countries seeking more friendly approaches towards cryptocurrencies, the founder of Skybridge Capital, Anthony Scaramucci, believes other Latin American countries will soon adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender. The Swiss city of Lugano has previously shared plans to make Bitcoin, Tether, and its own cryptocurrency de facto legal tenders, which residents can use to pay for goods and services. A Mexican senator has also shared plans to introduce a bill that makes Bitcoin a legal tender in the country. With these exciting reports, it is only a matter of time before Scaramucci's predictions become a reality. Earlier in the week, members of the European Parliament's Committee on Economic and Monetary Affairs voted against banning proof-of-work-based cryptocurrencies within the European Union. If the votes had passed in favor of the ban, it would have hugely impacted the crypto market in Europe. Fortunately, 32 members of the committee decided to vote against the ban, surpassing the 24 members that voted otherwise. In other news, Do Kwon, the founder of Terraform Labs, has announced plans to purchase $10 billion worth of Bitcoin to add to Terra's stablecoin reserves. Kwon believes the move will open a new monetary era of the Bitcoin standard. While Terra is placing bets on Bitcoin, the CEO of Abra, a crypto trading platform, is placing his bets on Ethereum. In a recent interview, the CEO explained that he is more bullish on Ethereum than Bitcoin because of its many use cases. He believes that when the new changes are fully initiated on the network, Ethereum could go as high as $40,000. A recent report shows that investors looking to play safe by investing in Coinbase stock instead of directly investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies may be making a mistake. According to the report, since the Coinbase initial public offering on April 14, 2021, its stock has slumped by 50%, while Bitcoin has only lost 30% of its price during the same period. We are now down to our final headline for this episode. Remember to smash the like button and drop your comments in the comment section below if you are yet to do so. The world's leading crypto exchange, Binance bagged 2 operating licenses during the week. Coinbase is now fully licensed by the Central Bank of Bahrain to offer crypto services. We are excited to announce that we have been granted a crypto asset service provider license from the Central Bank of Bahrain, Binance stated in a blog post. This landmark achievement for Binance represents our first license as a crypto asset provider in the Cooperation Council for the Arab States of the Gulf and demonstrates our commitment to being in regulatory compliance as the first of its group of companies in the region. The exchange has also received a virtual assets license in Dubai, which recently adopted its first cryptocurrency laws. The license will allow Binance to provide its services to pre-qualified investors and professional financial service providers. Binance was the second exchange to get a virtual asset license in Dubai after FTX. That's all we have on this week's episode. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. We appreciate all our viewers and subscribers. Remember to smash the like button and check out our other crypto-related videos.